Hello. We are back. Green, welcome. I'm sorry, I was just having my late lunch here. Ken Chua, hello. Bill Honest, hello. Welcome. D-Pain, good to see you, and Zacromancer is here. All right, let's start the show. Let's start the show. We still have a little bit more than how much? 2 minutes. All right. So, oh, look at that. Wow. Seems like we're going for the 300 now. How is everybody doing on this beautiful morning? Hope oh, wow. What was this? A new all-time high again. Why am I not surprised? Why am I not surprised? First time joining from the start. Oh, yeah. So now we just made history again. I guess we're unstoppable. NQ is absolutely unstoppable here. Well, at least it makes it easier for us, right? Maverick, how's it day? Tyrant FX, good to see you, man. All right. I was actually wanted to say that we only have this one single level up here to take out, and then now it seems like it's over. It's done. So what to do, right? No more levels. Oh, what about ES? Oh no, SMT. Everybody's gonna go crazy. SMT all around the place. SMT, everybody. It's SMT. Okay. Go big balls, Filkos. Be careful. It's Friday. You know, you can take it back a little bit. It's only Friday. Oh man, I don't even know what's happening. Congestion zone. I feel like it could be a fake out here, but nothing. Anyway, we have 12 seconds until the market opens, so get prepared. Next possible level could be 213 on the downside if it wants to reverse. Otherwise, there's nothing. Here we go, everybody. Buckle your seatbelts. The market is open. Okay. All right. Jesus, baby Christ, what's happening? Oh my God. This is unbelievable. The tension is high. You think it might want to go down? Who knows, right? We don't know. We do not know. I think it can still push higher. It could be just like it wants to lure in all the hold on, I forgot something here. Maybe it wants to lure in all the sellers, then push higher, right? We don't know that. Feels like pushing higher still. I'm watching this closely, but yet there's nothing. The market is unstoppable. What was the high here? I feel like it might just wants to go higher. You know, the spike was up to 320. What if this one wants to go even higher? Kind of interesting. But anyway, we'll see. Itvip, hello. Greatest live streaming. Oh yeah, we are. I wish it would be the case, right? I just wish. There's nothing here. It feels like it might want to turn to the downside here. Kind of hard to predict. Not sure. For a second there, it seems like it wanted to go higher to even, you know, to trap in the sellers, but I have nothing to go with here. Kind of focusing on some levels here, but man, it feels like a trap maybe. Feels like it could be a possible trap. What if ES just wants to pull this higher? You know, just to lure everybody into the trap. I don't know. If it gets to the 320s, then it's clear that it might be ES is going to be the driver here. And NQ is just shotgun, and you know, the SMT is not going to work out maybe. Anyway, let's wait. How's it going, Itwip? Ends with Sabo. Thank you. London High Taken, yeah. Kirk, what's up? I'm not shadow banning you. 272. IFVG level. Yeah, it could be acting as support. Absolutely. Tricky one, yeah. SMT with ES. Venceslas, hello. Last night was such low volatility. It was. And that's why, like, this level is kind of crazy here. Yeah, I don't even know if this one wants still something to happen. If this is a real SMT, then I guess it can go lower. But for how long, that's a mystery. For now, this level is acting as good support, but all depends on ES. Maybe everybody wants to go short, and that's why it wants to squeeze everybody. I don't know. I don't know. But I'll be watching. Nothing. Hold on, I have a connection issue. I have to reconnect here. Ah, man, I need to reconnect. Why is it so slow? I mean, it always swimming in red on my screen. I just don't know why. Anyway, so there's a low a little bit down here, right below Asia low, if it wants to take it back down there. I'm just not sure if that's the real thing that it wants to do. Or is it going to act as possible support level here? kind of interesting, to be honest. Anyway, still nothing that we could go for. No swing low. The only swing low is down below like the 260s. Watching for a possible scalp here, but it's not happening. Kind of sideways movement. ES not really moving to any direction. So I don't know. It does feel a little bit weird. Got rejected. If it wants to do any kind of movement to the downside, it needs to break the 260s, maybe even down below the 50s. But if this level is gonna hold, well, I guess then there's not much to do. And there's not even a fair. Is there a fair value gap? Not much. Anyway, I can't take a scalp on this. I just can't. Although it broke this swing low pretty nicely. Jacques, hey there. No, I wanted to go short, to be honest. I was watching this first fair value gap for a possible retracement. It didn't happen, and now it broke this low. So there's nothing to do. Nothing to do. Hot gold short. What's happening on gold? Oh, wow. It broke down nicely. Okay, that's interesting. There's a nice level here. On the downside, I do like that 3354.2 as a possible level. Otherwise, nothing. Still don't know. That's what she said. All right. No, I'm not in a position. I really wanted to scalp this from this fair value gap, and it just didn't go well because it didn't go up there. So took out this swing low, and I don't know what to do now. This first fair value gap, I think this is the one, right? So yeah, this is the one. So that's the first fair value gap. I wanted to see a possible retracement into that. It didn't happen. Instead, it broke structure here, and now even if it goes back, I don't think I'm interested. So it is what it is. It is what it is. No, I'm not going to do anything with this. That's for sure. Yeah, I don't know. It is Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. Definitely have to wait for a setup. That was my only chance here. If it would went up there and then try to go short, but now absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. We're gonna wait for the setup. Yeah, that's for sure. That is for sure. I wonder if it still wants to go lower. All right. There is something maybe. $285. No, 28. Yeah, 285 is that level, but it's not going up there right now. Is this gonna go to the 57s? What do you guys think? There's no clear move here. Okay, now back to 85 maybe. High here is 85. What about the mini? Also 85. Okay. Okay, so now we're back there. That's cool. Hey, Pip Drunk, hello. We are back. Yeah, good to see you here. I was following the price action that we went back to this first fair value gap, but now I have no idea. It bottomed and picked up. Yeah. What if this one just wants to squeeze above the 320s? That's a big question, right? That's a big question here. Look at all these lows. Why is it not going to go lower? And we still have that zone on gold. Huh. Anyway, let's just wait. There's no clean price action here. Still ranging, yeah. On the 1 minute, yeah. How much payout for the month? So far this month, almost $9,000. I wanted to secure another payout until the end of the month, so I can be above 10K. Hopefully, we can get, for example, a Bulenox payout. We'll see. If I can manage that Bulenox payout, which I don't need too much for it, then maybe I think we can get to 10K. I mean, yes, with that we can get to 10K. So, previous month was 10,356 and May was 12,700. So far so good. I'm very happy about it, but still need to work on it. How do you handle FOMO? It's very hard, Philcos. It's very hard to handle it. It really is. No, it's not with you. I mean, it's normal. We are all humans. Ah, I see. Must be it. That should be the issue, man. I think that's the issue. I think you should speak to her. Maybe she can help you, you know. Not a good time to trade, that's for sure. I mean, this price action is not good. Did we have some news or anything? Oh, we have University of Michigan sentiment for later. All right. Let's see. How many funded accounts do I have? Well, actively, I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 currently, but I'm actively trading like 4, and I'm rotating. So the other ones are, I mean, for example, I want to trade more on Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, but I still have the Bulenox accounts, and I still want to build up the Funded Futures network accounts, but I have new evals on TRADEDAY, but those are evals. Lot to do, like, because I'm not really into the copy trading stuff yet. I mean, I would say I'm actively rotating 4, maybe 5 accounts. So that's not much. But OPEX Friday. The trend most likely not expand before power hour. Okay. So that's gonna be the interesting part. Well, we'll see. We'll see. What the? What was this? This spike just happened in a millisecond. It's nothing you can do with this one here. And I guess it didn't really go down there, right? I mean, this one didn't sweep the lows. Wow. Amazing. Just amazing. Wonder if it tries to go below that 51 level, because it did not finish the job, and the 51 level is still down there. I guess we might never know. Oh, thank you, Pip Drunk. Probably will do the same, yeah. Funded? Are you just past the funded account? Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Pip Drunk. Let's go. Woo, let's go. That is how it's done. Well, for now, I don't know. I don't know what this is doing. I mean, it did not sweep the low. We're still in the range. Still at all-time high. It's really hard to figure this out. What's this gonna be? Let me look at my super magical indicators. Not showing anything. Not even gold. Huge indecision in the market. I mean, yeah, the 3-minute also looks absolutely undecisive here. Nice. It swept the bottom. It didn't sweep this one here. You know, this was the low at 50-ish something. But maybe it's enough. Who knows? Switching between the gold. Tried good for nervous system. Yeah. Sometimes it's good to switch to gold, especially under these market conditions. On the 15, it seems reversal towards downside. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, it sounds like a solid idea. Maybe. It does seem like there could be some orders below. But I don't know. Still has to break below the 50 in order to be a valid sweep, I think. But maybe I'm wrong. Still kind of waiting. Not much to do with this. Or it can just bounce, you know, at these levels. I mean, it bounced once. So we're just sitting at Asia low. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, is this Asia low? Yeah, it is. It is an Asia low. So is it going to go through? It has to go below the 51. It might go. Break below 50 at 10. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Okay. All right. All right, I guess. We'll see. I mean, I kind of agree with that. We could be breaking below that level at 10. Quite close. I'm not in a trade, but it's a little bit tempting. Did it go lower? Almost. What about the mini? The mini didn't go lower. Okay. We'll see, I guess. How much time until 10 a.m.? Less than a minute, so we'll see. Closing bearish. That resistance, and question is, yeah, silver bullet hour happening real soon. I wonder how's it gonna go, but we'll see soon. Definitely interesting level. It might just bounce, you know. It didn't actually break lower. Maybe everybody wants to wait for that order sweep on the downside. Whoa, what is happening? Wow. Now this is something that we didn't expect, right? This is interesting. Yeah, because this is the University of Michigan news, I guess. So we'll see if it wants to do anything. At all. You know, in this case. Very interesting level. Very, very interesting level. For sure. I mean, that's normal. You know, we had this news release. Hey, holy shit, what's happening? Just focusing on the charts here. Just like everyone, I think this one can be a squeeze as well. Would be kind of interesting to wait for some levels to see how it's gonna go. Is this gonna try once more, or is this just gonna squeeze? I don't know. Might just gonna squeeze. In the silver bullet hour, no sign of any other major movement. Nothing. Look at that. It might break it. I have no positions on, but now I feel a bit of a FOMO for not entering. Yeah. Oh, man. I should have stayed here in this position and just enter. And I was wondering if I can take up a position on this short and then go down, but I missed it. It's done. It's done, basically. It's just a few points down. There you go. Swept the low. You guys could play. Yeah. Exactly. Lizel, hello. Lots of people liquidated their account today. Yeah, I think so too. Especially on this move. Especially on this move. Wow. Interesting. But anyway. It was still interesting. It was still interesting. The problem is, I really don't have any level now to go with. Gold is still holding that position. One sell side liquidity level is down at, actually it's closer on the 15 minutes, so it's at 216. I might put this up there to 216. So that's the nearest fair value gap. Actually not. There's one more at 234. Hold on. I didn't even see that. One more at 234, and that is it. That's all we have. No more liquidity level to be swept. $50 swept after 10. Exactly. Just the way you predicted. Now it seems like 34 is next. And pretty much the Friday is done with that move, I think. And I couldn't take a position on this. Pick up number of trades and chart. It's easier to figure out. Well, maybe I should just be in the market, right? Look at that. Still not going for the 34. Still doesn't care too much for liquidity. Bum, 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 bum. Just wants to go higher. I mean, that's kind of good. Okay. Do I want to take this on an eval? Huh. There's a fair value gap here. The first fair value gap is still up there. What's the plan here? Exactly. Exactly. Made some in the morning. I'm okay. I'm okay. Maybe, Jay. It might want to go for that 34. What's that level on the mini? I'm kind of curious. On the 1 hour. On the mini, that's 34.25. I see. Okay. It's almost the same level down there. I guess we'll see. All right, Jack. Thanks for dropping in. Those are 3 knows. Yeah, who knows? The next liquidity level is at 34.25 on both mini and micro. Otherwise, we're just hanging around here, and not much is happening. So makes it a little bit interesting, I guess. So let's just stick around, you know. Okay, might be squeezing up there. If it does a market structure shift, then that would be interesting. See you next week, Mohammed. Thanks for being here. See you, Jacques. No, I don't want to do anything with the funded accounts here. Maybe on an eval I can go crazy and short this, but do I really want to? What is ES doing? Not much. ES also has a congestion area down there. And NQ feels a little bit terrible. The good thing is we're still in the silver bullet hour, and we might have something, some sort of a proper movement, but the range is just too small to go short on this. And so I just don't think I will. That was easier to trade, yeah. Bye, Jacques. J target is 200. I'm not sure. I'm watching this closer, how the candle's printing, but you know. Exactly. It's just Fugazi. The whole thing is Fugazi here right now. It's just really hard to guess the direction, and it really don't want to take that low, so it might just going to accumulate for a bounce. Perfect market to generate those emotions, I would say. But there's really not much else down here. All right. What is this? That's midnight. Otherwise, this is just pretty much a ranging day. And this here was a PM session, after PM session close. So and I think it just took that out, right? Yeah, it did. Oh, it didn't. Now it's taking it out. So interesting. $23, $22. Short is above 50. Stop out above VWAP. Look at it. It's holding below the overnight range. Oh, look at that. Wow. And this is the 15-minute sell side liquidity level. $15-minute down there. Wow, look at this. I do feel some FOMO. I do feel it. Yeah. Maybe it does that, Pip. Pip drunk. It did take it. Yeah, oh yeah. I mean, this one did take it. Yeah. Yeah, gold is just, stuck in one place. I was waiting for actually a dumpage here on gold. Nothing is happening. So but I do like the idea that gold could be dumping lower. Oh, and now gold just went lower. Look at that. Gold did go lower. Wow. Not too much, but it did. I was watching it on my other screen. If you go into the 1 minute on gold, from this 5-minute gap, it did go lower. And there is a zone down there. Maybe not a bad idea to short it, right? NQ is taking the lows. Wow. Okay, so now we're officially took out all these sell side liquidities, and now it can be in free fall. Who knows? Maybe Friday is going to be the day. What's to the left here? Nothing there. Maybe on the 15-minute, nothing. Hourly chart, no, that's the 4-hour. I don't care about that. Nothing here. 3-minute, nothing on the 3-minute. Okay, so maybe there's a level on the 3-minute. Maybe. Yesterday we talked about this. I think there's a zone on the 3-minute. It's a proper one. It's a valid one, actually. Right there. Woohoo! To 170. My gosh, it is. It is a zone to 170, or the block down there, 3-minute demand zone. 170. If you guys want to chase it, good luck. How far is that? Oof, not too far. 50 points. Tempting. Do we have a fair value gap? Nothing on the 1 minute. Maybe there's gonna be something on the 3-minute. Do you feel? Of course, I feel FOMO all the time. All the time, Filkos. Trading stop hit you. Oh, yeah, it happens. Martin Muchka, hello from Slovakia. Hey, how you doing, man? Good day to you too. Took partial, left the runner 185. I would say if you left the runner, I would leave it until 172 or 75-ish area. I'm actually tempted to jump in maybe on an eval. That would be super awesome to follow this. Got stopped out. Oh, into the gaps, yeah. But it bounces back to test the overnight range short for the break. Yeah, Jay, I kind of like that idea. I kind of like that. 23,301. Oh my, you are really up there. Oh, Abyss, ouch. Sorry to hear that, man. I guess it happens. We just cannot do anything with that. Your back is hurting. You gotta call her, man. That's the only thing you can do. Is this a small gap here on the 3-minute? Okay. It's still there on the mini. Almost there on the 5. Okay. I don't think it's a good idea right now. I mean, it technically is a short continuation. I'm tempted to take this. What would be the risk if this one would like to go down to 75? Maybe 2 micros. It didn't go up there. It didn't go up. You know, high of this candle 36. I put a sell limit at 35.50. We'll see how it goes. It didn't take it yet, so it might not gonna take it at all. I'm not referring to any Thai lady boy here. Not for Philcus. I still have, so I have my limit sell at 35.50. Let's see if it wants to visit that order block down there. Okay, it's been tagged. I'm in the trade. There's one more thing to do here. My stop is up there at 66-ish area. I might gonna modify that. My take profit is 175. And that's it. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, where is this? Which one is this? No, not this. This is on a funded. Okay, here's the trade. Took this on MyFundedFutures. All right. So I want to see the 3-minute order block. That's the goal. And we'll see. Finally, at least I have a trade I can go with. Yeah, OPEX Friday. Oh yeah. We'll see. This is a sell, Pip Drunk. It's a sell position. I want to see the 3-minute order block down there. Got beaten up by 2 of them. You guys are rocking it. Oh man. Oh no, green. Jesus Christ in heaven. 140. Jay, I like the way you think. I like that. Let's see. I was too scared to do anything other on any funded account, so I'm okay with this. Come on, I want to see the order block down there being tagged. Simfunded now down 550. That is something that is a best that is recoverable. Absolutely, 550 is absolutely recoverable. So nothing wrong with that. My stop is at 266.75. I'm not sure if I'm going to adjust it, but maybe I will adjust it. We'll see how price action goes. But the main rule obviously is never to adjust my stop. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want. I don't really like to adjust my stop, so we'll see. I just want to see my precious order blocks or zones, demand zone in this case. You know, Trader Monk is saying 180. Maybe I'm a little bit too greedy with 175, but who knows? Pure patience. Yeah, we need to be patient here. So let's go order block, everybody. I need this. I really need this to go down there. If it goes, we're gonna play the victory song, you know. We really need the victory song for Friday, you know. We need that. We need the victory song for Friday. Only full TP on this. Yeah, the market makers are seeing it, by the way. It always happens. Approaching 180 maybe. The order block starts at 170, by the way. Exactly at 170. There it is. Right there. And it's a textbook level. Obviously, I'm expecting some kind of a bounce along the way, so I'm not expecting this one to waterfall down there so easy. My TP is at 75 because of some early profit taking or a wicking or something, whatever. Slippage, so 175. Maybe even going to modify it to 175.25 maybe. We'll see. Yeah, modified it with 1 tick, 75.25. I mean, why not? I mean, the plan was good. The plan was good. Entry was somewhat good. Now it's up to the analysis. Is it going to be correct or not? I'm not on the Epstein list. No, 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 no. At least I did everything I could not to be on the list. So, who is on the list? Are you on the list, Kirk? Maybe. I mean, I open up social media, and everything is about the Epstein list. I'm like, what the heck is going on? You know. This price action YM is definitely. It's not something I. Well, it's Friday, you know, and on Friday, all kind of crazy things can happen. You never know. Anyway, we're gonna wait. What is going on? I need to check a text message real quick. I forgot to answer someone. All right, cool. Oh. So, pushing the other way, no problem. No problem there, Pip Drunk. We'll see what happens from here, you know. We'll see. Only thing we can do is hope. Hey, thank you, Kay. Nutty's on the list. Well, with the name like Nutty Bar, don't accept him not to be on the list, you know. I'm sorry. I mean, no, of course, nobody's on the list. OPEX Friday, yeah. Could be crazy day. You chickened out. Yeah. Well, we'll see, Abyss. We'll see. It's definitely an interesting level, so I'm kind of curious if this one wants to. If it goes sideways, it's not that bad. I'm okay with it. So. But I'd like to see one more drop here. Yeah, don't revenge trade. It's never good. It never ends up. Sometimes it ends up good, but maybe 1 out of 10 times, and the odds are just not good to revenge trade. Gold is not doing it. What's up with gold? Oh yeah, gold is not dropping. I was expecting gold to drop here, and it's not dropping. Why is that? Why is gold not dropping? Hey Gabor, hello. Well, days so far good. That's the only trade I could validly take, or I mean this was the only trade I had some validation to take. We'll see what happens. I was hoping for a level down at 170s to be taken, but it might gonna end up differently than I thought. Yeah, that is permittable. You know, between me and you, Filkos, I agree with you. Or breakup sex. Sorry, I had to say this out. It happens, you know. It happens. It's part of life. When you break up, there's always a farewell, you know. Like one more time, you know, just to say goodbye. And it makes it all smoother, you know, the whole situation. I mean, it's a thing. Don't tell me it's not a thing. Breakup thing is a thing. It's undeniable. It's the truth. That's the world, you know. It happens. Okay. Anyway, I'm sorry. Let's get back to trading. I don't want to disappoint anyone. You have a long position. Well, it can turn out good. I mean, you never know. Hey, Kirk, I don't know what that means, but I don't think that means. I mean, I don't think we're thinking about the same thing. So, you know, long and has. No. I'm short. Gabor. I'm in a short position. Targeting the 175-ish area. There's a 3-minute order block down there that I like. I don't know why it says negative. I mean, here's my position up here. So it's not a big position, it's 2 micros, so that's why I'm okay with it. But now it's going against me. I was hoping for the drop to finish down there at the 170s. Did it go to the 80? Not really. Oh man. That's not good. Well, we still have time, so who knows. Oh man, this is the problem. I thought that this is just gonna straight go down there. Let's see what is going on. Just the first move down since we didn't test the underbelly yet. Oh. Yeah, it could be bouncing. We'll see how the 200 will hold this. Oh. Could be. Yeah, there could be a retracement. Unfortunately. But what can we do, right? What can we do? You covered at 200. Nice. That's a good job. That is an excellent job. I mean, I was hoping for this order block. It's like almost, it was almost like 30 points away, even less. Yeah, Abyss. I mean, this is a make you or break you point right now in both ways, even for trader and even for the market to decide what to do here. Is it gonna hit that level or not? Yeah. If we don't do it on this move, we'll do it on the next move down. Maybe this is absolutely an interesting action right here. But even if I would be looking for a long position, I'd be careful. But obviously, it's possible. Oh, I see. Yeah. We'll see. Well, we just have to be patient. We still have almost 19 minutes from the silver bullet hour, and obviously anything can happen until lunch hour. So, we still have the macro. Who knows? It might kick in. I'm fine. Oh my, it's going higher. All right. Almost looked like a bear flag, but but now I'm starting to lose faith in this. Yeah. Let's watch the 3-minute. What's happening? Okay. Maybe I was aiming for too much here. But doesn't really matter. $30 to $60. I mean, yeah, the target is good. But I was expecting more. Retracement level up to the 40s could happen. No, I'm still in. I'm still in. I'm still in, but it's a small position, so that's why I'm okay with it. Still just kind of waiting. I mean, I could have taken a partial down there, I know. Whenever I take a partial, goes back, takes my break-even position, and then goes down. But unfortunately, the market makers now really want to mess me up. Oh. It's doing bad? Hmm. We'll see. I'm gonna hold this out. Why not? At least I want to know if I was correct or wrong. You're basically gambling on the Trump tariffs. I wonder what's gonna happen really next month. That would be interesting to see. That would be really interesting to see. Oh, I see. You were wrong too. Everybody gets wrong sometimes, so it's part of the game. Ba, 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 ba. Fabio. Fabio. Ba, 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 ba. 5-0. Pip drunk is in buys. Stop loss is in profit. Then you're locked in. You just need to sit back and relax, you know. That's all. Risk off, exactly. Yeah, I don't know either. Fabio. Doom. Doom. Fabio. Fabio. Just listening to some music, don't worry about me. Fabio. I don't know how much time does it gonna take. Maybe the macro will do something. I don't know. I know. I'm getting better and better all the time. It's part of trading, you know. Yeah, we need to call the market makers, I think. I actually have a flip phone somewhere for that. An Ericsson T28. Somewhere down at my... Anyway, I'm gonna find it. I got your respect. Oh my God, that's big. You know, I mean that. Thank you so much. Thank you for saying that. It's getting sleepy, I know, but I can sing for you guys. But you're gonna regret it. Yeah, my segment starts at 11:30, so in about 40 minutes. So we'll see. I'm 5 years. Ba, 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 ba. 5 years. It did not end well. I knew you're gonna say something. We are in the macro. Oh yeah, we are in the macro right now. Why does it sometimes have to be 11:30, sometimes 12? No, I'm always at I always start at 11:30 at my funded TV. So I always start then. I'm there until 12:30. And all I can tell you guys, if you're looking for reset codes at MyFunded TV, keep this in a secret. Usually they put out the reset codes sometime around 12 to 12:10. Okay, that's the only thing I can tell you. So sometime from 12 until 12:10. So in that 10-minute window, you gotta be really on alert. That's all I can say. I know it's in your nature. I know. I see. They never work, Kirk, because everybody's already on the checkout page. Everybody's like watching the screen, ready to type in the code, and then boom. So, and while they're doing that, Kirk, you are still watching some movie, or I don't even want to say what. You know, you're watching something else, and by the time you realize, it's done. The codes are taken that fast. Yo, sorry. Okay, sorry. I take that back. I'm taking it back, Kirk. I'm taking it back. You can't be too greedy, yeah. Man, I was hoping for a nice little downfall of this move, but hey. I can't. The problem, Kirk, is I was talking about this in London session. I don't know the code. The only thing I know is that I'm in an inside chat with the mods while the stream goes, and I see the code 5 seconds earlier than it goes to YouTube because there's a 5-second delay. So when it goes to YouTube, I have 5 seconds. And obviously I'm talking while, you know, and sometimes I see the code popping up and I know then, okay, in 5 seconds it's going to appear on YouTube. And that's all I have. So I don't know the code. I don't know. I don't even know it's always going to be a code or a wheel spin or whatever. I don't know. Hard to say. Looks good for a trend line short, but it also feels like it can be just grinding all the way up to the 260s. We've seen this kind of movement many times before. Do they give out free Starter Plus accounts every stream? Sometimes they give out Starter Plus accounts. Sometimes they give out reset codes. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Most likely reset codes is what they do, not resets. It's always there, you know. When the code comes out, you can read what's it for, like 50 Starter Plus accounts or 50 resets or whatever. And gold looks bearish. Yeah, it does look bearish. I mean, on gold, it should be tapping this level at 54. All in long, guys. Tom is wrong. Gadragan, I wish you good luck. I don't mind losing this small position if you win. So if you make profits, that's all that matters. That is all that matters. Look at this, man. It's absolutely... It's very bad. Took a loss on longs. You can fade me. It's easy for me because I'm always in these small positions. Don't forget, today is the last day for the 91% discount on Bulenox. Just saying, if you want to stack up some cheap upfront cost accounts, just saying, I'm going to pick up a few as well, just to have some. And yeah, also buy one, get one for free promo with Funded Futures Network is still going to be on until next Friday, I think. Just saying. Also, MyFundedFutures 50% off. For everybody, any account, only once for every user. So you can take an advantage. Even if you blow up the account, I would advise you to keep the subscription. It's gonna get rebuilt on a 50%. No, sorry. No. I take it back. This time not. This time no. Only for the brand new users. But only for the first month is 50%, sorry. But if you're brand new and your first purchase is at MyFundedFutures, then it's going to get rebuilt also on 50% discount. But if you're already a user, then only the first month is 50%. But still a good price, especially on an expert account. So go for it. Oh man, this trade looks bad. There was a glitch that code YouTube gives 50% off even. Oh, they patched it. Okay, but because it should be working with the Tom Sabo code as well. Because they told me that they are upgrading every affiliate code and everything. So once they do something with the discounts, every code is changing, so everybody's code is getting the same discount. How many accounts can I have with MyFundedFutures? 10 points, currently 3, but this is a secret, don't tell anyone. Actually, the CEO already said some words here and there. They're going to let you hold 5 funded accounts, most likely after next week. For now, technically it's still 3 funded accounts, but they will let you hold 5. But it will be confirmed next week, most likely. There are some new stuff as well, which I cannot say. But MyFundedFutures is going to be super awesome real soon. They're already great. But some more things to come. I mean, yeah, the Abyss, you can have 10 evaluations. It will be a surprise. I have some rumors, but there is still some surprise. MyFundedFutures is coming in with something big, but a partial thing will be that they will let you to trade 5 funded accounts, but it's a secret still. But that's not the main thing. There's gonna be some big surprise. So next week is gonna be awesome. NinjaTrader with them? Yeah, you can. No, they have a NinjaTrader license, so you can trade directly on NinjaTrader login. Oh, come on. This trade should go down. I want this to go down. Please, pretty please. We have the new hour in less than 1 minute. The market maker hung up the call. Yeah, maybe. Come on. Here's the new hourly candle. 4 seconds. 2, 1. Right now. New hourly candle. All right, nothing is happening. Nothing. It's official. Nothing is happening. Hold the line, everybody. Hold the line. Hold the line. Yeah, 10 a.m. open. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. I don't even know anymore. Come on. Oh, come on. It's just, how much is this? 15 points? NQ. Are you kidding me? It's just 15 points, NQ. And 18, I would say, but still. Come on, baby. There is an order block there. There is a demand zone there. It's official. There is a demand zone there. What is there to think about, NQ? Orders are piling up below 170. I don't even understand. Don't lose the account. Oh. You were 3,600 in profit? Man. Sorry to hear that, but I mean, oh. I know I know how to, especially if it's in profit, man. I know. That sucks. It's not doing it, man. It's not doing it. Oh no, NQ, come on. Come on, NQ. I don't have time for this, NQ. I got stopped out for my trading. Oh, Abyss, come on. That's not even funny. I'm sorry. 5 minutes before it down. Oh. Come on, NQ. Please. Please, NQ, please. Just go to the order block, finally, please. Well, I'm just looking for an order block. Oh, man. Ah. 1 day, 1500 target. I mean, a take profit trader. I'm buying 50, 25 is accepted, but the amount is still 145. Which prop firm is this? Take profit trader or MyFundedFutures expert account? What is which prop firm is this, Vilkos? Bulenox. Because you chose for the 25k there is no discount. I'm sorry. The discount goes, I think, from the 50k accounts. I'm sorry. So you better go with the 50ks. No consistency on the evaluation account. So 25k doesn't have the discount. I'm sorry. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. NQ, come on, baby. Yeah, so go with the 50k. You can get it for like $15 or $16, and the activation fee is going to be 148. 1 day pass, so no consistency rule. You can pretty much do anything you want on the evaluation account and basically on the funded account as well. But it's intraday trailing, okay? Option 1 accounts. Option 2s are only 45% on discount, but it works with the Tom Sabo 2 code. Come on, NQ, drop it. Exactly at 180. Oh, Jesus. Ah. There is an order block down there. There is an order block down there, just saying. Exactly at 170. A textbook order block at 170, just saying. I don't know why it's not a demand zone, I would say. Textbook demand zone at 170. Nice. Congratulations, Zacromonster. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Chaz. What time here? It's 5:07 in the afternoon. 5:07 in the evening or afternoon. GG. And I should have this hurts, NQ. This actually hurts. This hurts my feelings. This hurts my feelings. Just a quick phone call, sorry. The market makers are saying they cannot guarantee that level for me, so It is what it is. They didn't know how much. Exactly. Exactly. Oh man, I really wanted this to happen before. It just hurts. Okay, never mind. It is what it is. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna leave this. You know, I don't care. I'm gonna take the full stop loss if I have to. Okay, just for the sake of it, I'm gonna take the full stop loss. I want to know if my level was good or not. Okay, 175.25, way before the order block. Maybe it's just picking up liquidity from this fair value gap here. Not sure. It doesn't look good anyway. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll be at MyFunded TV soon, in about less than 20 minutes. So I'll be seeing you guys there. Have a good one. Yeah, see you guys there. Have a good one. And have an awesome weekend, by the way. So recharge. Use the weekend for recharge. And, you know, I'll be back in London Monday. So... and if you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the Tom Sabo code for all these good discounts, the best deals, and everything. So thank you again for the support. Yeah, I might put it. I don't know. I will see. So have a good weekend. I'll be at MyFunded TV if you guys would like to join. Super good vibes there. We're going to have some good topics. So I'm going to leave the TP at 175.25 and we'll see what happens. All right. Break even. Yeah. All right. God bless you all. I'll be seeing you later. Wait for the code. All right. Cheers. God bless.